One of the method of solving quadratic equation is by using quadratic formula, which is also called Sridharacharya Formula. This formula was given by an Indian mathematician, a Sanskrit Pundit and a philosopher, Sridharacharya. His father was also a Sanskrit Pundit and a philosopher. He was born in Bhurisreshti, presently Hooghly, West Bengal. He separated algebra from arithmetic and wrote practical applications of algebra. He is known for two works, Patni Ganitsara and Patni Ganita. His major work Patni Ganitsara is also known as Trisatika because it contains 300 slokas. The book discusses counting numbers, natural numbers, multiplications, divisions, squares, cubes, fractions, interest calculations and mensuration. One of the methods of deriving Sridharacharya formula is by using completing square method.